Everyone, welcome back to CanvaBestie. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sticker on Canva. Let's jump in. Now the first thing we want to do is open up a new canvas. So we're going to go into custom size. We're going to change our units to inches, and we're just going to make a 3x3 box to make our sticker on. Now the first step is to design your sticker. So I'm just going to design a flower in a vase. So I'm going to search for a vase here in my elements, and I'm going to pick one that I like. Okay, this one looks good. I'm going to move that to the middle. Now I want some tulips. I'm going back into elements and I'm going to search for tulips and find one that I like, click it, and add it to my canvas. Okay, this one is really cute, so I'm just going to size it where I want it. And as you can see now, the tulips are above the vase, so it doesn't look right. We can fix that. We just have to select the vase, hit position here at the top, layers, and then just drag the vase above the flowers. And there you go, it's all fixed. Okay, I think I'm actually going to change the color of this. I'm going to use my Doppler tool here and copy the light pink color of the tulip just so everything matches. And this still looks pretty boring, so I'm going to add a heart, I think. Just grab one from shapes, size it down, and I'm going to change that to probably yellow so it stands out a little bit better. There, that looks good. Okay, I actually think I'm going to change the vase back to yellow just so it looks a little better. As you can see, it pulled colors here in the color palette. And then I'm just going to change the heart back. There, that looks good. Once you're happy with your design, you want to go up to share in the right hand corner, select download. Make sure you're downloading a PNG with a transparent background and download it to your computer. Once your download's completed, you want to go over to uploads, upload your file, and put it back onto your canvas. There we go, we have it back on our canvas. Now the next step is to get that white outline that you see on stickers, which is easy to do with Canva. I'm just going to make the background black here just so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. So we're going to select our sticker we made, select edit, go down to shadows and select outline. Then you want to change your outline to white, or you can change it to any color you want, but we're just doing white, and change the sizing and the thickness of the line to the border that you want for your sticker. Once you're happy with how your sticker looks, you want to download it to your computer, so go ahead and click share. Up in the right hand corner, go to download, and you want to download it as a PNG with a transparent background, which is very important. Then you're just going to select download and it will go on your computer and be ready for printing. And there you have it. That is how you make a sticker on Canva. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave any questions you have down below. Thanks so much.